Welcome to this video, where you will learn about mobile platforms and operating systems. After watching this video, you will be able to describe mobile platforms and their evolution and identify the major mobile platforms available. A mobile operating system is the backbone of smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. It is a software interface that enables your device to run applications and programs. Over the years, several operating systems have shaped the way we use mobile technology. For example, Palm OS was one of the early operating systems for personal digital assistants, designed for touchscreens. It offered several utility apps. Its final version was released in 2007. Moving on, Symbian OS was another robust operating system used for smartphones from Nokia, Ericsson, and Motorola. The final version of Symbian was released in 2012. Then, there was BlackBerry OS, which powered BlackBerry phones and was great for handling utility and social networking apps. BlackBerry Messenger, in particular, was a pioneer in peer-to-peer internet communication. The last version of BlackBerry OS was released in 2012. Another operating system, Windows OS for phones, was designed for smartphones and tablets. Its last version was released in 2017. The arrival of mobile operating systems like iOS and Android has revolutionized the mobile landscape, offering significantly improved user experiences. For example, iOS, which started as iPhone OS 1, is now at version 17. Let's learn more about these operating systems. iOS is the operating system used for iPhones. It is designed primarily for single app use. While it includes features like picture-in-picture mode, it does not focus on multitasking. iOS has multiple functionalities, such as CarPlay for in-car use and Apple Watch pairing. Apps on iOS are optimized for small screens and can be developed and tested on Mac software. iPad OS is an operating system designed specifically for iPads. It emphasizes multitasking capabilities, allowing you to work with multiple apps simultaneously through features like split-screen view and slide over. iPad OS also supports the Apple Pencil, which enhances productivity. Apps on iPad OS are optimized for larger screens. Developers test iPad OS apps on iPads to ensure functionality. Android is a Linux-based open-source operating system for mobile devices and tablets. It can also be combined with Windows for use on laptops. Did you know that Android has evolved through many versions, each named after a dessert? For example, version 15 is known as Vanilla Ice Cream. Android apps are developed and tested using Android Studio and are available for Windows, Linux, and Mac systems. iOS and Android develop one or two new versions of their operating system every year. With every iOS update, updating your app for forward compatibility and relevance is essential. However, with every new version of Android OS, privacy and security are improved. Additionally, the apps often work with both older and newer versions. New research always aims to develop mobile operating systems with better security and features. Some of the latest ones being researched include Ubuntu Touch, Graphene OS, KaiOS, and Sailfish OS. In the future, you will see more cross-platform and web-based apps that will be easy to use on different devices. In this video, you learned that a mobile operating system is a software interface that enables your device to run applications and programs. Several operating systems have shaped technology, including Palm OS, Symbian OS, BlackBerry OS, and Windows OS. Mobile operating systems like iOS and Android offer improved user experience. Future trends in mobile operating systems include developing new systems like Ubuntu Touch, Graphene OS, KaiOS, and Sailfish OS, and increasing the number of cross-platform and web-based apps.